guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to find a square root of a number. How to find the square root of a number. There are many methods, and in this video I'm going to teach you about division method. Division method. So let's begin. So we'll take a number. We'll take a 5-digit number first, which is nothing but 5, 4, 7, 5 and 6. So we should always divide it in pairs from the last, which is from the right side. So one pair, second pair, and this has no pair, this has no pair, so you have to leave it like that. In the same way, if you divide it from this side, it won't come correct because 6 will be left. But have to always remember you have to divide it from the right side. So now let's see how to solve it. So you have to first, after that, you have to draw a line like this. So here you have taken this as a single pair, right? So what is the closest square? Like we'll write 1 into 1, which is 1. But there's 2 into 2, which is 4. And we'll try for 3 into 3, which is 9. But it's more than 5. But 4 is lesser. So we can use it in closest, right? So what you have to do is, you have to write 2 at the top and write 2 in the side. And what is 2 into 2? Which is 4, which you have to write it here. After that, you have to subtract it. Subtract 4 from 5, which is 1, right? So this is what is the first step to doing. After that, like normal division, now this total is one pair or one number. So you have to bring the whole thing down. And then you have to write the number as 147. So the new number now is 147. So now what you have to do is, here you have 2, right? At the top. At the top you have 2. You have to always multiply whatever number you have to multiply it by 2. If now it's 2, but if it was 4, have to multiply it by 2. If it was 10, have to multiply it by 2. Any number you have to multiply it by 2. And then, so now we have 2. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4, which we all know. So we have to take 4 and write it over here and leave some space here. So what you have to do is, now here you have, so now you have, for example, you have to write like 41 into 1, or 42 into 2, or maybe 43 into 3. Any number you add here, you have to multiply it by the same number. So now I'm going to try with 3. I feel it's going to be closer. Let's try. 3 3s are 9 and 12. We got 129. Let me try for 4 also. Otherwise, let's see if it comes more or less. So 16 and 176, which is more than 147. So it's not working. So what is the number we have to take? 43 into 3. So here we have to add 3, and up also we have to add 3. And what is the number we get? 129. So you have to subtract 129. What do we get? We get 18. So now the same step you have to follow. What do you have to do? This whole thing is one number. So you have to bring it down, which you'll get 1856, right? So now what you have to do, you have to double this number. I said that always whatever number is at the top, have to multiply it by 2. So what is 23 into 2, which is nothing but 46. So bring 46 here. And here you have to always add a number. Like add whatever number you add, you have to multiply it by that number. So now I feel 464 is going to be closer. Let me see. So 464 into 4 we'll be trying. Any number you add, you have to multiply it by that number. 4 4s are 16, 25, 6, 18, right? So what's the number you got? You got 1856, which is the number you wanted. So here you have to add 4, here you have to add 4, 1856, and you get 0. So what is the square root of 5 50,000 54,756? It is nothing but 234. It's very easy, right? Let's try another number. So now let's take this number, which is nothing but 3. So let's take this number. And now what is the step to be done? Divide. So done. We have divided. So we have 6 numbers, which is an even. So it got divided into 3 pairs. So now what we have to do? Right? So now 39. What is closest to 39? We all know which is nothing but 6 into 6, right? So which is 36. So when we subtract, we get 3. And then you have to bring it down, which is going to be 306, right? So which is 306. So we have to double 6, which is, what is 6 into 2, which is 12, right? Yeah. So we have to try it. So we'll try into 2, which we'll get. And we can even try 3, because even that may be closer. Who knows, right? But it is more. So which number we have to put? Into 2. So 244. And the number we get is 62, right? When we subtract, we get 62. So now what we have to do? We have to bring it down. And then the number becomes 6,225. So what we have to do now? We have to double 62, which is nothing but 124. Yes, 124. Now we have to multiply it by one number, right? So I feel like trying 1, 2, 4, 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 22, 12, 6. We got the answer. So it's 5. So write 5 here, add 5 here, and here it is 6,225, and you have to subtract. And what is your answer? So what is the square root of? So the square root of 390625, which is nothing but 625. We got the answer. Very simple and easy, right? So this is all about today's video, and you can try these 5 sums at your home. But now I'll divide it. So here you come from the last. So 2, 2, 2 and 1. So here 2, 2 and 1. 2, 2, 2. It's a 6-digit number. 2, 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. So I have divided. So you can try these 5 sums in your home and send it through my mail by taking a click. And I'll see and I'll correct it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can see the recent updates. Thank you.